vitamin C.
Clean you out.
Yeah, but not too much. Those seeds, gonna, sometimes it's dangerous too.
Yeah.
Most elderly, if they eat a lot of that stuff, gonna go in their small intestine. It's hard for them to digest and everything.
I didn't even know that shit.
For us, it's still okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
But I think the farmer clean out anyway.
Yeah, vitamin C.
Yeah. I got a
What kind of wood is this? Oh, so
bonfire is good.
she decided to cut everything?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Oh.
Ah.
She's lifting the.
Yeah. Wow. 1,200, right? 1,200? What's the name of your business? Top Unit 3 Service. Top Unit 3 Service. Oh, okay. Yung business niya. So, 1,200 na to. Ayos. Gandang negosyo ang pagkat ng trees, 1,200. Just to cut this tree. Diba? Good business. Top Unit 3 Service. Top Unit 3 Service. So,
She plucked this one. She plucked this too.
you have contact numbers in the back?
Yeah.
Let me take a picture. You wanna do some, okay. 562-881-1281. That's your cell phone, brother? And you need to be licensed too, of course. Yeah, Top Unit 3 Service. There you go.
The only way.
Yeah.
Play like.
Are you keeping this like some, for
I keep it.
charcoal?
I take it too. I give it away.
Yeah, you
You want
can.
firewood?
No, it's okay. It's dangerous here. See those in the back?
Yeah.
Gonna create fire. If you live in Corona, it's okay. There's a lot of big backyards there.
No problem over there.
Yeah. Is it hard? Smells good too. Okay. Huh? Poultry? How do you spell it?
Pear like the fruit.
P-E-A-R? Oh. Pear tree. No, pear tree daw to. Yeah. 1,200. Total package yun. Everything. So you're basing it like the sizes, right? The size of the tree? When you price it, it's not per tree, no.
If it's the same size.
What for that one, for example, that big?
Palm tree?
Yeah. How much that cost?
Take it out?
Yeah.
Start going on.
Tinitin ng presyo.
1,400?
1,400. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, ito yung presyo niya. For this kind of tree is 1,200. And for this size.